Make money online in Nigeria is actually a scam. And yes, don't doubt me when I say it is a scam because I have been in that shoe and I've been the one telling people on how to make money online. And I found out that at the end of the day, I was actually deceiving myself, and not just deceiving myself, I was deceiving a lot of people that were actually believing in me and following me. My name is Basi Ejukba John, medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel we talk about education and entertainment in Nigeria and all over the world. That means if you love any of this content, kindly click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I upload a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And in today's video, we are actually going to talk about the stuff you can see online, how to make money online. Actually, the first way to become poor in Nigeria is for you to go online and search how to make money online. You will doubt me because you actually see a lot of information on the search engine on how to make money online with false promise and false hopes, especially YouTubers. This boils down to YouTubers. You see them telling you about how to make money online and stuff like that. You see them, but actually what they are doing is they are not following the main thing. They are not doing the main thing. What they are just doing for you is to read the description. You see someone go on social media and see an app, just bring the app to you and read the description for you without actually testing what he or she is telling you to do. And there's a very big catch in it because these people are not telling you the truth. They are actually harming you. This is because they won't tell you the amount of sweat and dedication you have to put in for you to achieve a particular thing. You see them telling you how to make 50,000 in 2 minutes, how to make 100 million in 5 seconds. While them, they are actually not making that amount of money. This is because you'll be surprised and you'll be very happy that you have found a video on how to make money, a free money online, not knowing that you are actually the money they are talking about. Your views, your interaction on their YouTube channel tends to push the algorithm. And now what I'm doing, a lot of people won't actually like it because they will say do your own and leave others to do their own. Yes, but this is actually painful to see grown-up men, grown-up women, people who have been faced with life challenges, no way to actually survive, will come online and be searching for how to make money online, and you see a particular YouTuber who have been hungry, who haven't eaten for 6 days, who haven't even only who don't even have a food, will be coming online to read a description for you and you will actually follow. I was in the more how to make money online niche in Nigeria, but I had to run because I was actually facing a lot of challenges. I was facing challenges on for my peers. They will meet me and say you are posting on how to make money online but you're actually not making money. It was an embarrassment to me though, and I had to have a routine and switch off from that channel. Now I'm not telling you that you cannot make money online. There are a lot of ways you can use to make money online. We have blogging, we have YouTubing, we have a lot of them. We have freelancing, and subsequently as I will be showing you in my videos on how you can use to make money online. But there's something I won't promise to you, that I won't promise you that you are going to make this money as fast as possible, as you can see by some social media users or social media influencers, YouTubers. You see them posting a fake and a doctored inspect element screenshot of how they make 750 million in 2 hours, on how, and this entice you and leading to depression of young people. You see them feeling that they ain't making money. You see them thinking that their own is finished. So I want to say that all those how to make money online is actually a scam, because they are just reading the description for you and they are not actually telling the truth, that it requires zeal, it requires dedication, it requires effort for you to actually make money. And at the end, it also requires consistency and patience, because you might do a particular thing for 2 years without actually seeing results. And as such, you give up because that was not what the YouTuber promised you. The YouTuber promised you that you are going to make 700 million in 2 hours, you are going to make 5,000 in every 2 seconds. So how to make money online in Nigeria is actually a wrong approach if you want to actually make money online. And just know that it requires zeal, dedication and patience. So forget about all those YouTubers that tell you how you can make money in 2 seconds, and learn the true process. And how can you learn the true process? You can learn the true process by subscribing to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to dedicate all my time to teach you how to make money online through zeal, dedication and patience. If you watch this video to the end, kindly click on that red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I will make a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you.